take us through the trading day today and how we've managed to wrap this week up, given the volatility not only in market performance that we've seen this week, but also the volatility in trading volumes.
Thank you very much. It's quite noticeable that Nigerian investors are speculative investors. I think this is the second time the market is dropping in a week, dominated by the bulls. Of course, on a week-to-date basis, the market has done 1%, I think 0.91% on the upside. So we've seen a lot of speculative activities amidst corporate actions that have been unimpressive. We've seen drops in profits, especially from blue chips like Guinness. Today, we also saw the huge loss posted by Sterling Bank, about well over 9 billion loss. And although the first quarter of Sterling Bank's result was relatively okay, they posted an after-tax profit of 1.3 billion. So on the whole, corporate actions, should drive the market. We saw during the week when UAC Property and UACN gave very impressive benefits, cash dividend and even bonus dividend. So investors reacted to that, and the market, that was able to propel the market, reasonably. But speculative activities is what we've been seeing in the market in recent times.
Well, when it comes to those banking players, it's really the first quarter numbers that's managing to bring some calm to the market. And as you say, the broader sector as well of food and beverages and the cement players bringing relative calm. But this is within a broader context where we've seen some stability emerge on the political scene as well. With President Goodluck Jonathan now sitting firmly at the helm of the country, a vice president in tow, what has that done to investor confidence as well?
Yeah, since the return of President Goodluck Jonathan from the US, we've seen some level of investment commitments to the country. Recently, a Chinese firm signed $28.5 billion investment with NNPC. We've seen Procter & Gamble coming into the country also. We've seen World Bank signing a power energy plant, a pact with the federal government of Nigeria. So apart from the little uncertainties in terms of at the presidential level, which has been sorted out, new cabinets have emerged, and then we may also see some levels of reshufflement at the presidential level. So the political terrain is relatively looking calm, apart from the fact that we may begin to see some levels of campaign, for the 2011 elections, towards the end of this year. That may be the period when we'll see slowdown in terms of government spending, because a lot of politicians will be doing a lot of campaign, towards the end of this year. But Goodluck has, has stood his ground, and he has taken over the power ministry, and then we are going to be seeing the power holding company. Apart from the fact that power holding company staff, they are embarking on an industrial action very soon. That may, affect the level of power generation in the country. We're targeting 4,000 megawatt, which the PHCN director have said it's going to be met. So I think the major problem in the economy right now is the issue of power, electricity.
Of course, that having major implications for business, the operating environment within which businesses operate. Moving forward into next week, Ayodele, what do you have your focus on?
Well, the food sector on the Nigerian bourse is doing so well. The sector have done 60%. The banking sector has done like 30%. The market entirely has done 33%. We're looking at the insurance sector. They've not done a lot of reform, just like has been done in the banking industry. The Security and Exchange Commission is singing some new songs now. They're coming up with stronger, regulatory framework. We expect the insurance sector to do same. And apart from that, the banking, based on the passage of the asset management bill, we're going to be seeing a lot of write-backs towards the third quarter. And next week, based on the release of the first quarter result of the banks, investors will react towards that. But right now, profit taking is what we're witnessing, and that's why the market have, you know, been doing
well,
the,
as you
sort
say,
of
lots of speculative play that's about at the moment.